Buying your first ATM is where most people either build momentum or create expensive rounds. Usually the difference comes down to preparation. Most beginners start with the wrong question. They ask, what ATM should I buy? The better question is, what business system am I building? Because the ATM itself is only one piece of the operation. I've watched people spend thousands of dollars on equipment before securing their first location, and many of those machines end up just sitting in the garage's basement or a storage unit, generating exactly $0. If you're serious about building an ATM business, hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. I share real-world ATM experiences, mistakes to avoid, and strategies that help operators build profitable ATM portfolios. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about buying your first ATM. We'll cover how to evaluate locations, which machines actually matter, what setup costs beginners overlook, and how to avoid buying equipment that never produces meaningful cash flow. Securing that first location. This is the biggest lesson I can give you. Don't buy an ATM before you secure that first location. The location determines transactional volume, customer behavior, withdrawal frequency, and long-term profitability. A weak location can make the best machine in the world irrelevant. This business is fundamentally about transaction demand, not hardware ownership. I would rather have an average ATM in a great location with a premium ATM sitting in a storage waiting for a home. Before you spend $1 on equipment, focus on finding the location with high traffic and ownership will work with you. Understanding the full cost. Most beginners only focus on machine price, but the machine is only one expense. A complete deployment may include processing, setup, installation, vault cash, wireless communication, insurance, branding, signage, and maintenance planning. Many first-time owners budget for their first ATM and then they get surprised with everything else. Professional operators understand systems before making investment. The ATM is simply one component of a larger business operation. Understanding that early prevents expensive mistakes much later. Number 3, choose the right machine for the location. Different locations require different deployment strategies. Busy bars, grocery stores, casinos, or entertainment venue may require a larger cash commitment or cash capacity, faster dispensing, better durability, and stronger reporting capabilities. A lower volume location may prioritize simplicity and a lower operating cost. The biggest mistake beginners make is buying equipment based on emotion. Professional operators buy equipment based on location requirements. The goal isn't owning the fanciest machine. The goal is maximizing profitability and reliability. Match the machine to the environment, not the other way around. Section 4, think long term. Your first ATM shouldn't just generate revenue. It should teach you how to operate the business. You need to learn cash management, refill schedules, transactional monitoring, customer behavior, and operational consistency. These lessons become the foundation for scaling. Most successful ATM operators didn't start with 10 machines. They started with one, mastered that process, and then repeated it over and over and over again. Consistency generates growth. Growth creates scale, and scale creates long-term income. And that's what we're after, long-term income. If you're serious about buying your first ATM machine, focus less on hype and more on systems. The people who succeed in this industry, they think about infrastructure, operations, compliance, and transactional flow, not shortcuts. If you'd like help building your ATM business correctly, I'll leave resources down below for consulting, ATM equipment, processing, and training. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button and turn the notification bell on. Because in the ATM business, discipline compounds, and operators who focus on fundamentals are usually the ones who are there when the last domino falls. Thank you for liking and subscribing to our channel, and we'll see you at the next ATM Mastermind video.